This machine tool is specially designed and manufactured for drilling stainless steel and aluminum alloy oval pipes for filter cloth suspenders. The entire machine has a vertical structure, can drill 1小时 all alone or simultaneously drill 24 drill holes, and can process workpiece with a maximum length of 4000 mm. Thickened stainless steel has accurate drilling effect, high finish, fast and efficient performance, smooth hole wall, no bending, no burr, and no edge raising. High-efficiency drilling machine with multiple functions, capable of efficiently drilling out irregular pipes such as 316 thickened stainless steel and aluminum alloy elliptical metal. Widely used in medical devices, household appliances, furniture, bathroom doors and windows, and other stainless steel oval-shaped efficient porous drilling. Equipped with a pedal-type dual-position start-stop control switch, 2 workers can independently pattern mechanical drilling work, and 1 machine can be used as 2 machines. The machine comes with a waste collection box, and the debris generated by drilling can be automatically flushed into the machine slot, reducing subsequent work troubles. Equipped with a positioning and pressing device against the mountain and an anti-scratch skid, it ensures that elliptical pipes can be quickly clamped, drilled, and scratched on the surface.